Hey guys, this is Rajdeep here. This is my first video on the YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to clean Nikon 70-300 VR lens. Clean means there is a lot of fungus in my lens. I hope you can see that. I see there is many like that. So yeah, it's good now. So I'll show you how to clean all this at home. It's very simple and all. First, what you need to remove these black O-rings or the cover rings from the lens. Just you can use a tweezer or small screwdriver, and then it's good to go. I'll show you how to do it. And yes, for cleaning this stuff, what we need small screwdriver sets, cleaning rags, one brush. It's work like this, carbon top for proper clean and rub the lens, and a lens cleaner. That's it. See, this is how I put the screwdriver here, and I need to just remove this slowly, and you will get here a pin on this. Okay, it's now removed. That black covering is removed, so you can see this two hole. Here is one end and the another one is here. So what do you need a measuring pin, or even compass also can work if you like, sell smarter. So what you need to do, put one pin here, another pin here, and just remove it in the anti-clockwise. I'm sorry, I don't have any stuff, so this is my first video I'm trying. And then you will get this stuff off. Like, I will show you how to do it. I will show you already how to do it. Now you see the result, how you reach on that location. How can you clean the internal part of the lens. We'll see. I already removed this stuff, almost done, so I just remaining a bit so you can see how it's work. See, it's off now. Okay, and you reach on this lens. So guys, just have a look here. We have only one mark of fungus. Here it is, and remaining part is clear. And this is the part I removed, which have the fungus in the internal side. So I just need to clean this, clean that lens part also, and then fix it back. So it's pretty easy. And I actually did not found any video about this Nikon 70-300 VR lens fungus cleaning. So I think I must need to upload one video, so people like me who need a help, they can do it at home the easiest way. So for cleaning, I'm using all this stuff like brush, lens cleaner, and cleaning clothes for both, for this one and that part also. And let's say if I found anything inside, then I'll go more inside. Well guys, I already cleaned this, and you can see it's very much clean. I'm just using this cleaning clothes and some contact cleaner. That's it. So this part is clean now. Now I need to see how is the inside. So this part also have fungus, which you can see here only, nothing other. So I will following the same step and doing the same things, and I'll make it clear, and then after that I'm just fixing it, tidy it up, put this black covering, and it's done. No, this fungus is inside that glass, inside that lens, so I need to remove all this screw 1 2 3, and then same process, anti-clockwise turn, and then remove the part. Well guys, now all this stuff is clean, all the screw is fixed back here, this one is also clean. Now I'm going to install back and I'll show you. Okay, I fixed this and then put that black cover on, so the edge look fine, fantastic, new, and here we go, successful. Thank you. If you liked my video, follow me, give me a like, and if you want to write something in the comments, you can write me. This is my first video, so if your comments is very helpful for me. Thank you and have a good day.